Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a very simple breakfast recipe as usual, and our main ingredient is a potato, actually grated potato. Let's get started. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, like and share. For preparation of this breakfast we need potatoes. These are 3 potatoes that we're gonna use. We'll also need some garlic and an onion right there, and a grater also. Okay, after that we'll also need 2 eggs and some flour. This is like half a cup of flour. This is all-purpose baking flour. We begin by peeling the potato. You peel, wash and slice the onion. We wash and slice our garlic into small pieces. Put our garlic okay. We grate our potatoes. This is the egg stage. We beat our eggs and place them in the bowl. There we are going to whisk them up and make our paste. We add the potatoes in a bigger bowl. Into the potatoes we are adding the onions and the garlic. Then we add our flour. And mix. Then we add our eggs and mix and mix and mix. Right about now we have our already heated oil. This is it. We are cooking for like 3 to 4 minutes under medium heat. Okay, as you can see right now, the bottom part is becoming brown. That means that it's becoming well cooked. See that? You can wait for it to turn brown completely. Right now we are turning. Wow! See that? Now we give it like a few minutes. The bottom part is also cooking very well. And here we are, our breakfast is ready. It looks so much delicious, so much presentable, so much eatable. So guys, this is the end product. Just it, guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked what we prepared and you're going to try it out. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get notifications on when I get to post more videos. Also watch my other videos if you haven't. Kindly subscribe.